Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the number of your players within the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and after you have completed your basic tutorial levels, you will be allowed to choose your club. After choosing your club, you will get some starting players as well. Now, in order to make any changes to the player numbers, just tap on the club menu from the homepage, and this will now open up your club. Just tap on the locker room option, and now you will see various different options, including the number. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to manually set a number of the jersey for each of your players. Just tap on which person you wish to change the number for, and then underneath you can just type in the number that you wish to set. After you enter your number, just tap on the change number option, and now it will change the number of the player that you just selected. You can do this with all of your players within your team, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the player number within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.